Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk through with you my 3-step process to craft an irresistible offer for your affiliate marketing business. Before we dive into it, if you could do a couple of things for me, smash the like button right now so that I know you like this type of content and I can put more and more of it out. And if you aren't already subscribed to the channel, click that big red button so you don't miss any videos, and then click the bell notification so that it pops up whenever I share a new video. With all that said, let's dive right into this one, crafting your irresistible offer. Let's get started. Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jacob. In this video today, I wanted to jump on live with you and give you 3 really actionable steps to craft an irresistible offer for your affiliate marketing business today. Don't waste a ton of time. A strategy, a blueprint that you can follow so that you can get it done today, okay? Before we dive into that, if you want to check out my free training that I've got on how I approach affiliate marketing and how I built my multi-6-figure affiliate marketing business, head over to jccasestudy.com. There'll be a link above or below this video, depending on where you're checking it out. Or you can just go type in jccasestudy.com, and there's a free training over there. You can watch it whenever you want. It's on demand. And that walks through the 3-step process that I've used time and time again to get awesome results with different affiliate programs, and my students use as well. And it's super simple to follow. It's like this, then this, then this, then this, and it works really, really well. So go check that out. But in this live, I want to talk about crafting an irresistible offer. Okay, so affiliate marketing is an amazing, amazing business model, but one of the downsides that there's no point sugarcoating is that you have to, compete with other people to sell the same product. So if you're selling your own product, right, you're competing with other people who might be selling like a variation of like the concept or whatever. But in this space, you're literally competing with people selling the exact same software, course, like whatever it may be, right? Could even be a physical good. I generally focus on digital products, so that's where this kind of live will be focused on. But you're promoting the exact same thing, so you need a way to stand out. And to do that, you've got to craft your offer. Okay, so the product is the thing that you're trying to promote, and the offer is the way that you package it up so that it's unique to you. Okay, so that there's a reason for people to buy from you in particular instead of the person next to you who's selling the same product, right? And there's a really simple way to do this. I think a lot of people understand that they need an offer. A lot of people understand that it's something that they've got to put together, that it's a skill that they've got to learn, all that kind of stuff. But I also think a lot of people unnecessarily overcomplicate this. So I want to give you a 3-step process to get this moving today. And I want to try to change your perspective on crafting offers as well, because I think the process people follow or don't follow, and the way they think about them too, is really, really holding them back. So let's start with the basics first, right? Your offer is never going to be perfect, right? So sitting and waiting to release your offer until it's perfect is just stupid. Like, it makes no sense. It's never going to be there. You're putting unrealistic expectations on yourself. It's not a standard you can ever uphold in anything. This goes beyond offer creation as well. And ultimately, you're really just holding yourself back. You're making excuses for not taking action and putting it out there. Okay. The only way that you're going to know if your offer is any good is by getting feedback from the market, right? You can get feedback from a mentor. You can follow the framework that I'm going to share with you, but ultimately, you're not going to get conclusive feedback until you put that offer out into the market, and then they're going to tell you if it's any good. So it doesn't make any sense to spend 2 months crafting the perfect offer when you just don't know what the market wants specifically. You can have an idea, but you aren't really going to know specifically. So a concept that I learned off Sam Ovens is called a minimum viable offer, which is kind of like a minimum viable product. But it's basically like, let's get the baseline offer done, and you can use the framework that I'm going to give you today to get that done today. And then let's put it out there. Let's see what people like, what they don't like, what can we add, what can we tweak, what can we change to make it better and better and better. And so it becomes this evolving offer that just gets better and better over time. But ultimately, it's never going to be perfect. It's constantly going to be changing, and you're going to be tweaking it, and it's just part of the game, right? So start thinking about it that way, and hopefully that can overcome, spinning your wheels, and you can actually put something out there. So quickly, before I dive into the 3-step framework, go over and check out my affiliate marketing case study. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, if you're serious about getting it to 6 figures and beyond, the case study is really, really going to help you out. I break down my 3-step process to tackle affiliate marketing, to tackle the whole process. That's worked really well for me, works really well for my students, and has got me awesome results that stand out from most of the industry time and time again. So go check that out, jccasestudy.com, or there'll be a link above or below this video somewhere. Okay, so let's dive into this 3-step framework. The first thing that you want to do is just look at what you're promoting and do what I call unpack it. And all that simply is doing is looking at the product that you're promoting and going, well, what's actually in this, right? Because if you think about it, if you're promoting a good product, the people that put that together, or the marketing team that put the marketing material together for that product, they've created their own offer, right? They've likely taken their core product and crafted their own offer around it, and you're now taking that and wrapping your offer around that again. So there's going to be, if it's a good product, there's going to be a core offer there. And so the first thing you really want to do is unpack that core product or that core offer that you are promoting. And what that's going to do is when you start to really break out the individual components and unpack that product, and you start sharing that with people through your content, through your conversations, all that kind of stuff, you're really showing them what they're getting from just the product alone before we even talk about your offer. And you're instantly increasing the perceived value of what you're promoting without actually doing anything, without adding anything to it, without adding any of your time or bonuses or all that kind of stuff that we're going to touch on. But most people just go, well, here's the product that I'm promoting. But what's actually in that product? What's included, right? This is something that I figured out relatively early, and it works really, really well because you're just massively increasing the perceived value of your core product, and you don't have to do any extra work. So that's the first step. The next step is you want to add some kind of support. And now this is where my kind of approach to affiliate marketing really comes into it. I'm always recommending to my students and people that ask me, and if you go check out that case study at jccasestudy.com, you'll hear me talk about this, is focusing on high ticket. And what that does is 2 things. Well, it's really actually gives us 3 benefits. The first thing is that it incentivizes us to talk to people more, which makes it easier to sell more expensive stuff. It means that it's worthwhile us adding support because we're actually getting paid more, and it's the fastest way to hit your income goal. So there's all these benefits around promoting high ticket, and that's why the second piece of this puzzle is to add some kind of support, because you're actually getting paid at a price point that's worth doing it. Now, the way that you offer support can come in a ton of different ways. You can do it formally through like a Facebook group. You could do one-to-one if you're really getting paid well, like $1,000 or more, or $2,000. You could offer Messenger access. You could offer Voxer access. Like, just offering some kind of support to your customers who buy through your link is instantly going to make you stand out, because what a lot of people want in this world where everything's really automated and we're all kind of sitting behind our computers is they want to know someone's there. They want to know someone's there that cares, that someone knows about the product, that can help them out if they've got questions and they get stuck. So offering that kind of support either at a group setting or one-to-one is a huge, huge bonus that you can add, right? And especially if you do it at a group setting, it actually doesn't take up a ton of time. You know, you can start a private Facebook group, you put all your customers into, you go live in there once a week, you answer all their questions, all that kind of stuff. You've got leverage there. But you've got leverage while you're still showing people that you care, and you're just adding that unique layer that most affiliates don't add. So that's the second part of it. The third part is complementary resources or bonuses. Now, if anyone watching this that's followed me for any amount of time knows that I hate how crazy the whole bonus thing has got in the affiliate marketing world. It's ultimately become a game of, well, who can get the longest list of bonuses, which is just stupid, because in a world where people are already suffering from information overload and confusion and overwhelm, just giving them more bonuses and more information is nuts. It doesn't make sense. What you need to be giving people is complementary stuff that enhances that core product, that's going to get them to the result faster with that core product. So what you need to do is you need to look at, what am I selling? Is there any gaps in it? Or what can I add to it that's going to improve the overall package? It doesn't need to be a list of 16,000 different things to overload your customer with information. It needs to be things that they can watch quickly, access quickly, action quickly to get their result faster that you're selling them on, or enhance the product. I like things like case studies, interviews, scripts, templates, frameworks, all that kind of stuff that just makes implementation of that core product easier for your prospect. And when they're higher quality like that, and when you've put them together and you're not using generic crap, it makes them way, way more valuable for your prospects and ultimately for your customers. And so when that happens, it means that you don't have to have 15, 20, 30 bonuses. You can literally have like 3, 4, 5 super high quality ones, and that's going to be way, way more valuable, especially if they're custom, okay? So that is the framework, and it's really, really simple. You're unpacking that core product, you're adding some kind of support, and then you're adding complementary bonuses to ultimately enhance the overall experience that your customer is going to have. Okay, and now, as I said off the top, this is something you can implement really, really quickly. You just need to sit and look at your product and unpack what's in there. You need to figure out how you're going to offer support, and that's ultimately going to depend on how much you're getting paid and how much time you've got and all that kind of stuff. But offer some kind of support, and you can quickly put together a couple of bonuses as a starting point to get that minimum viable offer. And then over time, you can change the support, you can add more bonuses, and you can ultimately improve that offer over and over again based on feedback that you get from your customers. You'll see what they're struggling with. You'll see what they need. You see what they're buying from other people, from the top affiliates, right? And you can ultimately improve your process over and over and over again. So if you've been struggling with crafting your offer, go and do that today. And then tomorrow you can move forward and start actually selling it, right? Like, just get that minimum viable offer done and then start moving forward rather than spinning your wheels on crafting the offer, because it doesn't need to be that complex. Okay, that's all I've got for you in this one. Hopefully you found that 3-step framework helpful. If you want to dive into this affiliate marketing stuff more, if you're serious about it, if you're serious about getting results with it, go check out the on-demand training at jccasestudy.com. There's a link above or below, depending on where you're seeing this video, and that walks through the 3-step process for affiliate marketing that I've developed, that I've used over and over again through multiple 6 figures. Works really well for my students. And it's a really simple process to follow. I'm all about simplifying this thing that everyone overcomplicates, and as a result, most people never get results. So go check that out, jccasestudy.com, and I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. Cheers.